Hi, here I have a standalone fingerprint and RFID time attendance system by HapAttend. Now, the system itself, here I'm going to unplug it real quick, pretty lightweight, and it's not very large. It's fairly small. Here's a size comparison to my hand here, all made out of plastic and very lightweight. When I'm ready to plug it in, I will just plug it into the side here, and then I will turn on the on button. Now off camera, I already inputted my settings and everything into it, so once you put in your card and your fingerprint, you can just press down.
Duplicated punch, thank you.
And it's good to go. And the card also just works.
Duplicated punch, thank you.
And it just slides on just like that. It also comes with a USB port right here. It's not very large, about the size of my finger right here, the width. And the cards themselves are just plastic, sturdy, but slightly bendable and fragile, so be aware of that. I also have a mounting piece right here, plastic with some screws and plastic mounting pieces as well. When you want to go into the various different settings, you can just press menu, and you can go into user management, add user, user view, download users, press escape, and I can just press up and down to change the different settings, like the HapAttend rules. Just like that. And just press escape several times, and there you go. This was given to us as a sample. Bye.